So knowing these 10 character traits will make your business way more successful. John Hutchison here, and this is DTF Secrets. Number 1, focus. If you want to be successful, you have to focus on what it is you're trying to achieve. What is your big goal? Think about it in terms of, I've got this audacious goal. If you're not going to focus on what it really takes to get there, you're not going to achieve it. Why do I need to focus? Well, one of the things that you can look at is where in your life or where in your business have you had such a painful experience? Sometimes thinking of the pain will move you towards really what it is you want to achieve. Number 2, determination. Are you someone that has got a drive for achieving something, that you really want to achieve? And persistence, is one of those character traits that entrepreneurs and successful people have, where they got to achieve it. Number 3 is consistency. And I like to think of this sweat equity, your work ethic, doing the things repetitively. It's like when you go to the gym, right? You go there and you do a set routine and you do so many reps of a particular exercise. It's repetition, it's doing the thing over and over again. One thing will happen is you'll get better. So the next one is confidence. You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in what it is you're looking to achieve, your goal. You have to have 100% belief in yourself, okay? The more you believe in yourself, the less you'll have room for self-doubt, okay? Because if you let self-doubt sneak in, you're never ever going to achieve your goal. Believe and you can achieve. That's essentially what you've got to do. 5, responsibility and accountability. If there's a problem in your business, own it. Take responsibility. Then also action the things that you need to do in order to fix it. So that basically you're taking that on and being accountable for actually fixing the problem. 6, risk. All things in business is risk. You're going to invest in things, you're going to outlay money. There's all sorts of risks relating to the business. You have to choose to work on eliminating risk where you can, so that you can make informed decisions, because you don't want to be impulsive, okay? 7 is relationships. There are a lot of people out there and they're skeptic. They're great at giving their advice, but a lot of time they're giving advice based on them never succeeding. But you do need to surround yourself with the right people. You may need a coach, a mentor. You want to surround yourself with people in your network who are above you where you are in business, so that the advice that they're giving is they've been there and they've done that, but they actually have the proof that they've made it. The other thing about relationship is your customers. You need a really good relationship with your customers and really drive home your message, your values, your vision. 8 is your mind, your mindset. If you're constantly flying at 100 miles an hour, you are going to burn out. You really need to slow down. Give yourself time to think. Time to think about strategy, time to think about planning, time to think about the action steps that you need to take to get to your goal. If you do not give yourself time to think, you're going to end up with a very reactive business where you're firefighting all the time. 9 is teams. You're not going to build a 7-figure plus business on you alone. It's not going to happen. So you have to look at teams. You have to look at people. You have to find your superstar team. You are going to have people and staff that join you, and within 3 or 4 weeks you're going to, oh no, they are not the right person. But eventually over time you will find your superstars. But it starts with you knowing what your limitations are with your skills, so that you can then get the people in that complement you. And 10 is investing in yourself. You have to invest in yourself. You have to educate yourself. You have to continue to get the skills that you need, because you are going to be wearing many hats. You're going to be doing all the marketing, advertising. You're going to be doing all the product fulfillment. You're going to be doing the customer service. All those things, that's all the hats you need to do. And if you're not good in any one of them, then you have to look at getting the skills to help you. Or you build the team. So that is the 10 character traits that you need to have that will help you become successful in your DTF business. If you enjoyed this content and would love to see more, smash the subscribe button. I've also linked additional videos for you here.